Yo, it's the Fry Trap. My main man Byron. What up, Byron?
What's up, man?
Yeah, we unboxing the Fry Trap, man. We out here first time, man, with your boy Zell Face, man, the tech face. It ain't tech, but we out here. We out here, man. You see, they got the bluff on this joint. Yo, Byron, what flavor you think? What flavor you think you got right here?
I think I got you the wrong one, but all that shit busted.
We was going for honey.
Oh yeah, that's the right one.
We was going for honey lemon pepper. That's what we was going for.
Yeah, that's what you got.
Ooh. All right, y'all. Man, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Man, I want y'all to follow me, man. We doing all these hood spots in Atlanta. I did not get a chance to show y'all how we actually achieved this goal right here. But next time I'm gonna take y'all on the ride, cause it is the experience. But right now, man, we're gonna see what's up with it. Ooh, we got that chicken and them fries in there. I gotta hit one of the fries. They look well seasoned. I gotta hit one of the fries.
Hey, this shit alright, ain't it? Ain't this shit alright, dude, right here?
Y'all get another look at that. Cause y'all don't even know what y'all missing. That's scrump. That's scrump. That's shrimp. That's scrump. Damn. And them nuggets, boy. Let's see what they hitting like.
Shit alright, ain't it? That ain't even a bad flavor, really. Well, to me, I'm gonna say that.
That honey lemon pepper is it, though.
Nah, bro. That other one, I ain't even get it this time. I done had that shit like 3 times.
Hold up, man.
I tried to get the
Let's see what's up with that scrump, man. Hold up, man.
I tried to get one with the lobster, but he ain't had no lobster. But
That's scrump, man.
it's good.
Come on, man. Come on, man. The Fry Trap, man. Mess with me. We all over Atlanta, man. That shit bucking. Oh, that drizzle they got on there. That drizzle, what? I think that's drizzle crack right now. Bro, they might got JJ's beat, bro.
But this shit good as hell, boy. This shit good as fuck,
I
boy.
think they might got JJ's beef, man. Them red pepper flakes on that bit.
Yeah, I drilled this shit, nigga. First time I had it, bro, I'm talking, we ain't move. We parked somewhere.
Brittany ate it?
Drilled that shit.
This shit's smacking.
Shit smacking, bro. God damn. I say, yeah, it's like three more flavors you ain't even tried.
They say 3 more flavors you ain't even tried. Y'all mess with it, man. Fry Trap. You heard it here first, man. Right here. It's your boy Rab. B Ryder. They ain't have to do it like that.
Shots in they corn for me on right now, nigga.
Shout out to Fry Trap, man. This might be a once a week. This might be a once a week, y'all. Whoa.
Damn, man, I thought I went home, bro. I thought I wanted to save this shit.
What? You can't save that. How you gonna save that? You can savor that.
This shit is real bad, man.
Savor that. The Fry Trap, man. Follow them niggas. And pull up. It's an experience for your ass.
Woo!
You can't really stop until you them just can't go no more.
I really drank it,